Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Graphics Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. Now you take line segment tool, hold shift and draw the line. Hold shift and draw another line. Now you take a rectangle tool, hold shift and rotate. Adjust this rectangle perfectly. Select all and go to Object, Export. Now take Shape Builder tool and cut unnecessary part. Hold Alt and click. Remove for unnecessary part. Now we change the color for more attractive. Select this portion, change the color. You can see here is our brand color and brand name.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates.